Hey guys, Captain Keith here from Clearwater. As our sales consultants are working with their customers, a lot of times they'll hear about this captain's orientation and what's involved. Right now, you can see we're sitting here in front of this 320 GTC by Saxdor. We're going to climb aboard here in a second. I'm just going to kind of walk you through what all we're going to do, and then just to make sure you're comfortable with your boat. I don't care if it's a 13 Super Sport, if it's this Saxdor, or if it's an Ocean Alexander. We're going to make sure that you're comfortable, you can handle your boat, know how to operate it, be safe with it, and enjoy it. So now we've stepped aboard this 320 GTC by Saxdor, and whether it's this boat, a Sea Ray, your captain's orientation, you're going to go through with the captain from the designated store, and you're literally going to push every button. At the helm, we're going to go through and just document and make sure that everything works. You're going to open windows, close windows, look under seat cushions, open up all the deck hatches. The captain with you is just kind of like an extra set of eyes. We want to go through and make sure everything's set and good and perfect before you take off with the boat. Then you will go through the operation of the boat, starting it, stopping it. Once again, I'll preach it every day. The throttle only button on these binnacles here, most important thing on all these boats with digital throttle and shift. When you push that in, if anybody were to inadvertently hit these throttles, the boat's not going to go anywhere, or if somebody bumps the joystick, it's not going to move. The RPMs will go up, but that's it. Your VHF radio, we'll go through all the protocols on that. And then over here on the port side of the boat, on this particular boat, is your main distribution panel, your power source, your power supply. You've got all the breakers, all the switching, and all that stuff for the whole boat. So everything, anything on these boats, like I said, whether it's a 13 Super Sport on up to a big old Ocean Alexander, we're going to go through, check the systems with you, and then finally make sure you're happy, you're comfortable, you can run the boat, understand your chart plotter, go through all the different systems and things on here. So X out of that, go to home. And then whether it's picking up your chart, your echo, your radar, there you go. There's your chart. Remember, your depths on here, your depths at low tide. It's a lot to it, but it's not hard. See you guys out on the water.